traders, my name is Jessica and I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you and of course show how you can trade on a certain combination of indicators. Okay, so now I opened Pocket Option Trading Platform and I'm gonna in detail tell you about my strategy for today's trading session. First of all, I go to the top left corner and open the Accelerator Oscillator Indicator. Here we are. So what is Accelerator Oscillator Indicator? Well, it is an indicator that shows you the change of the momentum of the market, indicating potential entry and exit points. Let's switch to its chart. Here it is. So the first thing that you notice is the zero line. So how this indicator works. When the accelerator oscillator crosses above the zero line, that means we should open a buy position, anticipating an increase in price of a currency pair. And if accelerator oscillator crosses below the zero line, that means we will open a sell position, anticipating a decrease in price of a currency pair. So as I said, accelerator oscillator is connected with the momentum. So when it crosses above the zero line, that means an increase in bullish momentum, which is connected with the growth. And when it crosses below the zero line, it is connected with bearish momentum, an increase in bearish momentum, which is connected with a drop of price of a currency pair. So this is it. And the second indicator I'm going to use for my strategy is resistance and support levels. So how do I add them to my chart? Well, I go here to the top left corner, again drawings, and press horizontal line 2 times. And now what I need to do is to actually draw these lines, one through the highest points of the chart and another through the lowest points of the chart. Let me do it. Approximately, I analyze the reversals and find the most frequent, repeatable top points and lowest points. Okay, here we are. Actually, what is a resistance and support levels? Well, these indicators, the resistance and support levels, help you to identify key levels of reversals and of course reversals and continuous growing of a price of our currency pair or continuous drop of a price of a currency pair. So again, this indicator helps you to identify reversals and a change of price of a currency pair. And I'm going to use these two indicators in combination as my main strategy for today's trading session. Okay, now I've opened up pound sterling and US dollar currency pair chart. The currency pairs are placed again at the top left corner. For today's trading session, I analyzed the market and picked a couple of currency pairs that would be convenient for me to use for this strategy. But I'm going to start with pound sterling and US dollar currency pair chart. Okay, and as for my strategy, I'm going to set expiration time 1 minute, reminding you expiration time is the time of your trade. And also I'm going to put $2,000 into my trades. But remember, because I've got quite a lot of money on my balance, I decided to kind of a bit step away from the risk management and just put in $2,000. But I strictly advise you to stick to the risk management, which is a strategy in trading, where you set limits for yourself in order to not lose any money. So according to risk management, you should put 5 to 10% of your balance into trades, starting from $100 and $150 so that you could see a medium kind of speed of development of your income. So this is it. And that's what we're going to use for today's trading session. So now let's get to the trading process itself. Okay, so I'm trading on Australian and Swiss franc currency pair chart. I'm gonna again set the support and resistance levels because it's a new currency pair which I choose to be convenient for our strategy. So here's the resistance level through the highest points and the support level through the lowest points. We can already see that there is a crossover when the accelerator oscillator crossed below the zero line. That would mean we open a sell position, and also the resistance level shows us that we should open a sell position, anticipating a decrease of price of a currency pair and a formation of a downward trend, which we already seen. So again, looking at the levels, we can see that the chart touched the resistance level, which means that there is going to be a reversal and there is going to be a pullback of the price, which we already seen. And now we just need to wait for this trade to succeed. Okay, the first trade succeeded, and I managed to earn $1,840 from using a strategy with a combination of indicators, accelerator, oscillator, and resistance and support level. So we proved that it works absolutely like 100% correctly. The important thing, it is worth noticing that trading on this strategy is not always successful, but like in only 80% of cases. To constantly trade in profit, my friend, you need to practice working with this strategy and understand when a fake situation is created on the market. And if you want to quickly understand about fake situations on the market, then go to my Telegram channel, where I publish the most relevant and up-to-date information about trading strategies and indicators, as well as in my private group, I Trade With You. So please join. Okay, so now let's continue trading. And I'm gonna open another trade, the second one. I'm seeing here the breakout out of the resistance level and also a crossover above the zero line. That means I'm gonna open a buy position, anticipating a formation of an upward trend and of course an increase in price of a currency pair. Again, repeating, because my strategy shows me that the currency pair chart broke through the resistance level, which means the price will strongly continue developing in such a way if it is a breakout. And also because the accelerator oscillator indicator showed me a crossover above the zero line, which would also mean an increase in bullish momentum and a buy position to open. So friends, the second trade went well and I succeeded again and got a profit of $1,840 using the strategy of accelerator oscillator indicator in combination with resistance and support levels. By the way, you just saw like there was a mistake of pocket option when the chart jumped and moved a bit, so the scale changed. Never mind, sometimes it happens. It's the techniques. And I'll be actually very interested to know what indicators, what strategies you used recently and what advantages and disadvantages of them you noticed. So please write in comments and I'll be very interested to read everything. Okay, so I just held a trading session in my Telegram channel, got a bit distracted from explaining you my strategy, but of course I'm gonna return to it. Okay, good entry moment, opened a buy position, anticipating a growth of price of a currency pair, because here a reversal of the support level and also an upcoming crossover above the zero line. Okay, well, based on the results of these signals, I managed to make 3 profitable trades, and at the moment my balance increased by $5,520, which is absolutely fantastic and really pleases me. I want to invite you, my dear trader, to my cozy trading community in the Telegram channel. In it, I conduct daily free trading sessions in which you'll be able to trade with me absolutely free of charge, and also, of course, find the most profitable strategies and indicators. useful and relevant information from the world of trading. I'll be waiting for you. Thanks again for watching, and my channel also has videos on other trading strategies. You can find them by going to my channel or clicking on the video to the left of me. So this was Jessica with love. Thank you. Bye bye.